In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Rocket Money and YNAB. Before you jump into any financial management tool, it's crucial to know what each offers and how they can fit into your financial strategy. So, let's start by taking a closer look at Rocket Money. This platform is particularly good if you're looking to track subscriptions, automate savings, and negotiate bills, while also providing the option to create simple budgets. It's a fantastic tool for those who value automation and simplicity in keeping their finances in check. Now, let's switch gears and focus on YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB embraces a proactive budgeting approach, providing robust tools for detailed envelope-style budgeting and long-term financial planning. It ensures every dollar you have is assigned a job, helping you achieve financial discipline and clarity on where your money goes. This makes YNAB ideal if you're looking to dive deep into granular budgeting and long-term goal tracking. Of course, an essential aspect to consider is the cost. Rocket Money operates on a basic free plan with optional premium upgrades you can choose to customize your financial management experience further. They also offer bill negotiation services for a fee. On the other hand, YNAB comes as a paid subscription model with options for both monthly and annual billing, and they provide a free trial for newcomers. Taking advantage of these trials could be beneficial to see which aligns better with your budgeting style without any immediate financial commitment. If you're inclined toward Rocket Money, exploring their premium options may reveal additional tools that could be handy in streamlining your financial monitoring. They allow customization for changing your monthly fee based on the services you prefer. As for YNAB enthusiasts, subscribing gives you access to a full range of features, focusing on granular financial control and goal setting to fit your financial plans. Make sure to check out their subscription options and take note of the specific features to meet your needs. Next, proceed with identifying the features that align with your financial goals. If tracking subscriptions and automating savings are your primary focus, Rocket Money might be the way to go. But if detailed budgeting with emphasis on rule-based financial management sounds appealing, then YNAB could offer more of what you're looking for. Ultimately, deciding between these two fantastic tools boils down to your financial objectives. Rocket Money might suit those who prefer a hassle-free automated experience that quickly deals with cutting bills, while YNAB may appeal to those seeking a comprehensive, hands-on budgeting journey aimed at meticulous financial discipline and goal accomplishment. Remember, these tools are designed to help you gain control over your money, so consider what you value most in a budgeting tool and how that fits into your broader financial objectives. Whether you prioritize automation or in-depth budgeting strategies, choosing the right tool can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your money.